I am all types of like sweaty right now and messy because Phoebe and I just went on a nice walk in the woods. A nice walk in the woods. And I really feel called to share a message right now. I just keep hearing it's a certain song by Modern Headspace. Everything works out in my favor. Everything works out in my favor. It's always working out in my favor. I attract good luck, I attract good things, good money, good karma always come to me so frequently, magnetically, manifest my dreams like 1, 2, 3. So this, that's the message that's coming through very strongly right now. If you've been seeing orange butterflies lately, that is significant to this message, as well as hummingbirds. Orange butterflies and hummingbirds. So that's how you'll know it's for you. Doesn't have to be. You'll feel it inside your body. You'll feel it in your bones. You're going to know if this message is for you. But I think maybe doubt has been kind of weighing heavy on you. Ooh, I got whole body chills. It's like your old timeline. Ooh, okay, spirit. Ooh, woo! Your old timeline has been trying to pull you back into that timeline. Oh, wow. I have literally whole body chills. Holy crap. Your old timeline has been trying to pull you back into it because you have been on the trajectory, and the new timeline, you've been on it now for a couple months and you've been watching things work out for you. But something happened recently that slipped you up. Something happened to you recently that caused you some heartbreak, some pain, some confusion, lack of clarity, yeah. And like, kind of just like, the momentum of your new timeline was like, because of what you went through. But remember, you chose it. Take your power back. Take your power back. That stumbling moment was a moment for you to pause, to reflect, to see what has changed, to see what you have built, what you have created, to look and see where you have come from, to look at the old timeline that's trying to creep back in, to look at it with love. With love and gratitude and appreciation for everything that the version of you inside of that old timeline went through. Because the version of you that is sitting here today wouldn't be this version of you if it wasn't for that timeline. If it wasn't for what you had to go through in that timeline. So what I'm feeling from this, wow, I have whole entire body chills. Ooh, I didn't know what was going to come through. Spirit was like, just record. I don't care if you're sweaty, just record. What I'm feeling from this is like, that old timeline just wanted you to acknowledge it again before it completely disappears. To acknowledge the strength that it took for you to get here. This is getting me so emotional. Oh my God. To acknowledge the strength that it took for you to get to where you are now. What you had to do to get here. What you've changed, what you've healed, what you've released. All of it with gratitude, with love, and thanking it and laying it to rest. And laying it to rest. And allowing this new timeline now that you've been in to fully anchor in and sink in. Everything works out in my favor. Everything works out in my favor. So even if it's a hiccup, a setback, someone leaving your life, a move, a job loss, delay, whatever it is, it's working out in your favor. It's working for you. Hold that. Hold that. And know that deep in your bones. Deep in your bones and in your core. Know that this is happening for you. And it's all working out in your favor. You're in the new timeline. That's you getting rid of the old timeline. Oh my God. Yeah. Everything works out in my favor. Prioritize regulating your nervous system spending time outside. Yeah. If you're interested in any nervous system regulation tools or anything like that, go check out my Reiki courses. Box breathing is one that you can look up to. That's an easy one. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, release for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and then repeat. But prioritize regulating your nervous system, staying grounded, and being outside, and just in the flow. And practice this mantra. My nervous system no longer seeks validation from the past. I close out the loop of suffering. I close out the loop of seeking worthiness from others. Something like that. Or however it fits for you. I close out the loop of lacking confidence. Yeah. And trust yourself. Full steam ahead. As on the path that you're running on. Trust yourself. Everything works out in your favor. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of help or someone to hold space for you, I do have a few one-on-one sessions available. Mentorship is also open for enrollment, and there's a special sale for mentorship. Go check that out. All of my Reiki training courses and everything that I offer is linked in the description box. And I also have my Dove Tribe community, and we're meeting on the 11th. Yeah, we're meeting on July 11th this month, and sometime at the end of the month, July 20th. I'm not sure which day yet. But come join us in the Dove Tribe. We would love to have you be a part of this community here online. We meet twice a month. We have a community space. It's growing and it's evolving, and I'm so excited to continue to show up in this community space and share with you all here. So go join the Dove Tribe if you feel called to come onto a community here online. All of my offers are in my bio. All right, I'm gonna go. Everything works out in your favor. If you made it to the end of this video, drop 358 in the comments. If you made it to the end right now. Not everybody does. So if you made it to this part of the video, drop 358 in the comments to claim this reading. And you don't need to do that also, by the way. I just like seeing it. And it also puts out a little signal to the universe. But even just you watching this and being a part of this collective here and receiving this transmission, this message, it also sends off that signal. So anyway, I love you. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.